Alright YouTube, so we jumping right into this video. No, I don't need to do no intro. So as y'all gonna see by the title, I'm gonna do some flybys, some POVs, because yes, got me a GoPro. I'm pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie, because a lot of y'all tapped into the last video and I appreciate that. And actually you guys gave me some pretty good feedback. So I went ahead and got me a GoPro. I used to have one, but I sold the last one. I don't know why I sold it, but got me another one. So we're gonna do some POVs today. I'm gonna head down to my boy's shop and he's gonna help me shoot some flybys. I'm about to give y'all like a warm start, because I know that in the last video I mentioned I probably was gonna do a warm start and I never did a warm start. So today we're gonna do a warm start. The cars, I took it across the street to Best Buy not too long ago to pick up this this GoPro. So hey man, appreciate y'all, man. Hey, y'all do me a favor too, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting a lot more behind the scenes on there, but let's go ahead and let's go ahead and hop right in. I low-key need a wash, but it's all good. We'll get one. Rolling. So just for reference, I'm on 19Ts. These are the Chinese 19Ts upgraded twins. I probably put maybe 3,000 miles on these, maybe. It's not my daily, so I don't drive it every day, thankfully. These been holding up really good. I'm still on just a base MHD tune. I don't have a custom tune right now. I'm gonna get a full custom tune pretty soon. It's just, you know, you gotta get all the components that you're that you need for that. As you guys can probably see, I need tires before I get a custom tune, because I spin. It's a spin city car. It's just spin. It's just fun though, I must say. Very fun. I hope the camera is picking up how good that blowout valve is. I got a Tial blowout valve, and I have inlets, so it makes the car sound crazy. Traffic begins. Never fails. Alright, so the clips that y'all about to see, I didn't realize that the audio was crazy. Like the audio was jacked. Like I didn't realize that the wind noise would be like that bad. I thought like the microphone would help a little bit, but that's not the case. So I'm just gonna still put the rollers in. And for some reason, I'm trying to put some type of music behind it. But this editing software that I'm using is just like, it is not allowing me to do it right now. So I'm gonna just throw the rollers on there, and y'all just enjoy the rollers. They'll get better next video, and yeah. Alright, so I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't make an outro. Like, it was a lot going on that day. I was doing a bunch of stuff. I wasn't just like recording. I was doing a bunch of stuff throughout the day. But hope y'all enjoy it, man. I gotta get better with the GoPro. Right now the GoPro for some reason is too close. I just gotta go through the settings to just make it wider. I didn't realize how close it was, and then like it was pointed down. I had the GoPro in my mouth, like pause, but like I had the GoPro, like it was hanging on this, and I had like this as it was like filming. So I have a chest mount, like a chest strap, but I don't know how the angle is. I didn't play around with that angle, and I don't know how the head thing is. I don't know if it's gonna be too far up. So I was like, let me just put it in my mouth. Pause. But again, I hope y'all enjoyed. I got a lot more videos coming. We'll be throwing my car on the dyno really soon. I just got to get some tires, and I need to get I think a flex fuel sensor, because I already got a fuel pump in there. I just gotta get the flex fuel so that way I can run both. If y'all want to see like a walkthrough, because I got a lot of stuff done to it. If y'all want to see like a walkthrough, you know, how much it costs and all that other stuff, I don't mind doing it to help you guys out if y'all trying to do the same thing. Because like this setup like is like really good. Like, and right now I got it turned all the way down. Like I haven't even really I didn't touch the boost at all, like at all. So this car got a lot of room to go. Again, hope y'all enjoyed. I'm trying to mess around with this editing right now. Like I just gotta figure out the right software and everything. The videos will be getting a lot better. I will have better rollers hopefully in the next vid. Y'all just stay tuned, man. We about to go up 2024. I'm feeling good about this year. We about to turn this up. We about to go crazy on the M54. It's my first M54, so I'm looking forward to it. Y'all have a good one, man.